you in the dark? Show me the scary parts. Who are you when it's 3 AM and you're all alone and LA doesn't feel like home?
Hey guys, it's Ray Jules here, and I literally forgot to do an intro, so we're doing an intro now. So hey guys, and today we're going to review what I got from Glossier. The Zit stick is a breakout eraser. Everybody's like, it erases. I saw a lot of reviews. A lot of people would say this is good, this is nice. This is cruelty free. Zit's breakout eraser. I don't know how to say these words because I'm very tired, and you know, I think it's peroxide acne treatment gel, which is 5%, which is actually good. Some people are allergic to this, and I think they take something else. I forgot what that meant, that other treatment for acne, but some people are allergic to this, so they use the other one. But this one, is it this one or the other? I forgot the other. I'll probably figure out which the other acne treatment thing that they use. But I'm gonna review this, and yeah, you're gonna see the transformation of a pimple that I wanted to be gone. Like, I want that pimple out of here. So you're gonna see a little bit of clip, vlogging type of clip. You're gonna see how, you know, it will look, how it does. It says in 3 hours you'll see a little bit of change, so we'll see about it. And yeah, I'll see you guys at the end of the video. Hey guys, so right now is 6:30 in the afternoon, and I already got my packages from literally 2 companies that were supposed to bring me for like tomorrow and the day before, and the day after. But literally I got the packages, don't worry. I am gonna do a little bit of a video, Black Friday, Cyber Monday stuff that I got, video for you guys, so that's coming soon. But I'm gonna do a little bit of a review on the Glossier Zit stick. A lot of people have been loving this because it literally erases their zits. I have one right here. I did take pictures on how it was looking, so I'm probably gonna edit it and put it right here. And I literally put a timer for 3 hours. Right now it's on 2:58 basically, because I literally, you know, just did it, and I was like, let me do a review, let me see how this works, so I can, you know, get my own opinion out there and everything. So we're gonna wait for 3 hours. Let's see how this is actually really cute how they came. Like, it's a freaking adorable. It's like a little marker. You will know. And it's, oh, I got the perfume as a sample. I probably am gonna buy it because I am that, you know, I shop a lot. But yeah guys, I'll be back in 3 hours to let you know if this actually really works. I'm back. So it's been 3 hours, and I did check with my mirror, and to be honest, it looks like it's supposed to be right here. So I'm gonna post like a picture right here, and it was right here. It was round. Why am I describing a pimple? But it's like, we're gonna get really graphic. So it's basically like when you almost get a pimple and like the white part is there. So it was round. This is flat. Like I got my little mirror thing here, but like when I put it on the light, it's like flat. Like literally it's flat, and it's only been 3 hours, so I'll be back because I'm gonna go to sleep, and I'll probably talk to you guys in the morning and see how it looks in the morning. So I got burned. Yeah, not a flat iron. I got burned cooking, so. But I'm really gonna like wake up early. Well, I have to wake up early anyway, and just like see how this is going. It hasn't, no irritation, no nothing. So I'll see you guys later. Good morning, guys. So I told you guys we're gonna wake up and see how the pimple is doing, and to be honest, it's doing perfectly fine. Like, it's literally flattened. I'm gonna put a picture here so you can see how it was. Literally, it's just flat. Like, I don't, like, it literally flattened and went away. But I'm gonna come back later on to see how it looks again for my final update and everything. So see you guys later. So hey guys, it's literally 8:18 the next day, well, the afternoon, and literally I would tell you that when I came back home, I would literally tell you my review about it. The pimple right here literally has flattened and it's not purplish no more. I'll put up a picture for the final result, and my final results for the Glossier, it's a thumbs up for me. I literally believe this is the fastest thing that I literally tested out and erased my pimples very fast. But this I'm only saying because this works for me. Everyone is different. Everyone is, you know, skin works in different types of ways. So if you want, just check out, I recommend you to try it out and see. But just, you know, read the labels before you try, because, you know, you probably do have allergies because it's a chemical one. So yeah, I really would recommend this if you want to use it. It's easier, literally the easiest thing ever. It's like a marker and it's really cute. Like, it's really cute. So would I buy this again? Hell yes, I would. So I probably will stack up. Do they expire? I wonder if they expire. Because if they don't, if they do, then okay. But if they don't, oh, it does expire. Oh, this is 2020. So you can, you know, stack up, because I do get like pimples, but you don't see them that much. But I do get pimples, but this is a great thing, so I'll probably stack up on this. Glossier is good. And just for a little sneak peek thing, I ordered the Glossier Milky Jelly Cleanser. I tried it this morning. It's a conditioning face wash. Everybody was like obsessed with it, so I was like, why not? Tried it this morning. I'm obsessed with it already, but I'm gonna do a review, like a whole entire week of using this to see like the review and everything, and give you a nice review. But this did leave my skin conditioning, soft and everything. So far so good, Glossier. I really love this product. Like, this company is so beautiful. But yeah, guys, that's the end of the video. I hope I gave you a good review on the Glossier Zit eraser breakout thing, and I hope I'll put it in the description below where you can get it, so you can go and get it yourself if you want to try it out. Just know it works for me. You may have different type of skin reaction to it. Just know this worked for me. This is for me, and to give you a little bit of insight of probably, you know, probably could work for you. This, you know, just know if you have allergies, just double check before you get it. Just know that. But yeah, guys, I see you next time. I'm really tired. Like, I've been at work early, and it's like 8:24 right now. Like, I'm tired. But yeah, I see you guys next time. Oh, don't forget, I almost forgot. I always forget this. Post notification shout out goes to Amy N, because she posted on, well, I like the way she like really commented. Like, I hear her saying this very loud, and she said, I was bumping to the music in the video, like capital letters, exclamation point, like she put some motion in it. So you can go to her channel. I'll put it right here. Go to her channel, comment that you came from my channel, and subscribe to her channel when you go to her channel. Like, do it. I do these shout outs just to give you guys a little bit more of interaction with each other so you can all grow together. So do that. And yeah, if you want to win a post notification shout out, all you have to do is comment below, hit the bell button, and hit the subscribe button, and you'll probably win a shout out. I always like message everyone whenever I pick the post notification shout out winner, just so they can see their own shout out and just be happy and proud, because everyone has great content in here. So yeah, don't forget to go to my Instagram, my Twitter, and my Tumblr. And don't forget to hit that notification button so you can also win a post notification shout out, just like I said. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button, because if you're not subscribed, then what are you doing? Because I know you come every single week to see my videos. So why don't you just hit that subscribe button and hit that post notification button so you will be notified. And you won't have to be surprised when I post a video and you didn't see the preview of it. So it's easier for you and it's easier for me, because then I can come and be your friend and talk shit all day. So yeah, I see you guys next time, and boy, oh wait, and Vlogmas starts Sundays at 12 p.m. So you will see Vlogmas until the 25th. So check that out, and also don't check out my clothing line. It'll be right there. There'll be a discount code until the 22nd. So, and I'll probably put in 2 weeks free shipping for you guys, because I love you guys so much. So free shipping and a 20% discount code just to get my sweaters and my iPhone cases. You should go do it. A lot of people have. And then after that, you could do hashtag Radiance, and I just shout you out there. But yeah guys, I see you later. Bye.